Hi, I'm Bob.
Hi, I'm Shirley. Overall, the GeneSmart diet, I think, has just changed my whole way of thinking about my health and how I go about doing my part to maintain it.
We learn more about nutrition from the GeneSmart diet than anything we could have learned anywhere.
Well, with the diet program and the exercise, I really felt better, not only physically, but I felt better mentally.
The biggest thing was I've had asthma since I was 53. I'm now 77. And the GeneSmart diet, after 8 weeks, my asthma was gone. I was not taking medication at all.
I was able to get my blood pressure medicine to every other day. And to me, this is just a great investment in my health.